Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability service built for DevOps engineers, developers, site reliability engineers, and IT managers. CloudWatch provides you with data and actionable insights to monitor your applications, respond to system-wide performance changes, optimize resource utilization, and get a unified view of operational health. CloudWatch collects monitoring and operational data in the form of logs, metrics, and events, providing you with a unified view of AWS resources, applications, and services that run on AWS and on-premises servers. You can use CloudWatch to detect anomalous behavior in your environments, set alarms, visualize logs and metrics side by side, take automated actions, troubleshoot issues, and discover insights to keep your applications running smoothly. Here are some benefits of Amazon CloudWatch. Amazon CloudWatch enables observability on a single platform across applications and infrastructure. Modern applications running on microservices architectures generate large volumes of data in the form of metrics, logs, and events. Amazon CloudWatch enables you to collect, access, and correlate this data on a single platform from across all your AWS resources, applications, and services that run on AWS and on-premises servers. Amazon CloudWatch makes it easy to collect metrics in AWS and on-premises. It natively integrates with more than 70 AWS services such as Amazon S3 and Amazon DynamoDB, and automatically publishes detailed 1-minute metrics and custom metrics with up to 1-second granularity, so you can dive deep into your logs for additional context. You can also use CloudWatch in hybrid cloud architectures by using the CloudWatch agent or API to monitor your on-premises resources. Amazon CloudWatch also helps you improve operational performance and resource optimization. With CloudWatch, you can set alarms and automate actions based on predefined thresholds or machine learning algorithms. For instance, it can start Amazon EC2 auto-scaling automatically, or stop an instance to reduce billing overages. You can also use CloudWatch events for serverless to trigger workflows with services like AWS Lambda and Amazon SNS. And finally, to get operational visibility and derive actionable insights from logs, CloudWatch provides automatic dashboards, data with 1-second granularity, and up to 15 months of metric storage and retention. You can also perform metric math to gain insights, such as aggregating usage across an entire fleet of EC2 instances. You can also explore, analyze, and visualize your logs, so you can troubleshoot operational problems. And with CloudWatch Logs Insights, you only pay for the queries you run. You can then publish your metrics and logs together in CloudWatch dashboards for complete operational visibility.